off this video if you think that waking up at 5 a.m., taking cold plunges, or maybe using your phone in grayscale mode will actually make you productive. Nowadays, if you scroll through the internet, you will see so many videos talking about productivity that frankly are stupid. They give absolutely useless advice. Sometimes this advice is so bad that they actually make you work lesser than what you're already doing and seemingly making you productive. What a lie. You might have had that experience when you were watching a productivity video and trying to implement it in your life. And guess what? It just didn't happen. Trust me, even I had that happen to myself. You must understand that every single person has a different mantra of living their life. And accordingly, there will be a different strategy to remain productive. That is why today, we will work together to find your productivity mantra and actually work on ways to get you productive. And each and every one of you will have a different strategy that we'll be able to work with together. Let's get going. I'll simply divide this video into two sections, quality and quantity. First, let's focus on how much time you're spending doing work and how can we improve on that. Ideally, you want to minimize the time and maximize efforts. That is how you make the most of your time. The simplest way to do it, break down your tasks into smaller chunks. I've covered the reasons and how to do this explicitly in the newsletter article that I have in the description down below. Check it out to understand how to break these tasks down in detail. The simplest overview of this would be taking a big amount of tasks, breaking into smaller chunks and assigning time slots to each chunk. That way, you're able to do work, take a short break, do work, take a short break, and so on and so forth. That is how you actually make the most of your limited amount of time that you have. Well, this was quantity. How do we take care of quality? Guess what? That's done by not at all focusing on the deep work sessions, but rather focusing on every other aspect of your life. Your deep work sessions are set into alignment by how you start your day and how you end your day. What do you do when you wake up? What are your hobbies? What are your daily habits? How fulfilling are they? Your deep work sessions are only going to be as productive as your day remains fulfilling. Live meaningfully and do the things that actually make you happy so that at the end of the day, you end up sleeping satisfied. Trust me, this is the best way you can actually curate your deep work sessions to be the most productive. Read a book, exercise, wake up early to see the sunrise, dance, sing, do whatever that makes you feel happy so that you actually do things on time and do things efficiently. That is how you realistically remain productive. If whatever I said has made sense to you, make sure to show your support by clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, following my socials, and hitting the notification bell so that you're updated whenever I upload a video. The newsletter that I've been mentioning, The Art of Learning, is open to public for free. You can subscribe to it for free, where you get access to some insights in my life and what you can learn from it. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one to improve your study techniques, give you tips and tricks, and actually get you scoring well, there's a free 30-minute session of my one-on-one mentoring session that I'm offering every single one of you. Make sure to fill the form down below and make the most of it. That's it for today. Thank you and happy learning.